422 for weaving technology into your teaching. Example 1. Rather than looking at how technology can replace teachers, maybe we should be looking at how technology and the new knowledge it enables can help teachers be better. I agree with this statement because so much pressure is put on teachers to utilize technology that it almost takes away from the teacher. It's easier to depend on technology to learn from a teacher than a teacher, because technology is more fun and comfortable to use because it avoids the personal involvement. But teachers are qualified people and humans that understand the way students' minds work and how to gauge their progress in a classroom. Example 2. While computer use has value, it shouldn't come at the expense of teacher-student and student-student interaction. This holds so much truth for today's society in general, especially in the classroom. People today interact through a technological wall. It's personal, but it's not face-to-face. Emails, Facebook, texting, etc. are all forms of interacting with other people, but it's not personal. It's easy to lose the magic, as the text calls it, of interacting with real people instead of a screen. These resources do have value, but their value is increasing and overtaking the values once set in talking and learning face-to-face. Example 3. Schools had few computers and teachers had fewer. This statement is no longer true because now schools have enough computers for an entire class to use at once. Teachers are learning how to integrate the computers into their daily lessons, and it's becoming easier with more availability of the technology. Example 4. It was here at this precise time that Crozet, by aid of the carpenter and painter, introduced the blackboard and the chalk. Crozet invented the blackboard and chalk because it was necessary. He found it easier to teach with this tool than he taught without it. Computers aren't truly necessary in most cases, but because they are such a big part of today's society, we see them as necessary for successful and innovative ways of teaching. Question 1. How would teaching in the classroom be different in today's society without the heavy integration of technology in the classroom? Question 2. Is it possible to still motivate and excite kids about school and classroom learning without using technology as the resource for excitement? Example 1. In elementary grades, I always got excited when we would go outside to learn about the environment and the things surrounding us. It made it easier to go back in the classroom and learn about what I had seen outside. Example 2. I love to use my computer in class because it makes taking notes easier, but part of me still wishes technology wasn't taking over. I use my laptop for everything, and that's why my penmanship is so terrible.